Today I'm cooking black sauce chicken with potatoes. It is a simple dish that I used to cook to cater for young children and for those who want a non-spicy dish when I used to have house party. This recipe is for 4 servings. The ingredients needed are 1.2 kilograms of chicken thighs, washed and cleaned, 750 grams of potato, peeled, cut into half and soaked in the water to prevent oxidation, 250 ml of water, 200 grams of red onions cut into thin slices, 3 tablespoons of cooking oil, 3 tablespoons of thick soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, half teaspoon of sesame oil, quarter teaspoon of pepper, half tablespoon of salt, and 80 grams of ginger cut into strips. The full list of ingredients is in the Simo link. First, marinate the chicken in the large basin. Sprinkle half of the salt, 3/4 of the pepper, all the sesame oil, all the light soy sauce, and all the thick soy sauce. Rub the seasoning evenly onto the chicken. I am using some gloves to prevent my hand from getting stained by the black sauce. This is optional. Add the rest of the pepper and salt. Continue to rub the chicken until well marinated. Cover the basin and leave it aside for 30 minutes to marinate. After 30 minutes, switch on the heat to medium. Pour all the cooking oil into the pan and wait for about 1 minute for it to get hot. When the oil is hot, spread the onions around the pan. Repeat it with the ginger. Stir for about 2 minutes or until the onions and ginger are softened and fragrant. After 2 minutes, the onions and ginger have released their aroma. See, the onions are quite translucent as well. Add the marinated chicken into the pan. Stir to combine and evenly coat the chicken with onion and ginger. Next, shake the water off the potato before adding them on the top of the chicken one by one. Cover the pot, reduce the heat to medium-low, and set the timer for 1 hour. This is to slow cook the chicken and potato until soft. The chicken will also release its juices into the gravy. Come back and stir occasionally to prevent burning at the bottom of the pan. After 10 minutes, stir to rotate the chicken and potatoes. See, there is more gravy now as the chicken has released its juices. Cover the pan and let it continue to simmer. After 15 minutes, open the lid, stir the chicken to rotate them. See, the amount of gravy has increased again. The chicken is getting cooked as well. Cover the pan and let it simmer. After 30 minutes, open the lid. The chicken is cooked now. Stir to prevent burning at the bottom of the pan. The gravy has come to a gentle boil as well. Add 250 ml of water. Gently stir until well mixed. Make sure all the chicken and potato are submerged in the gravy. Cover the pan and let it cook for another 30 minutes, stirring in between to prevent burning. After 1 hour, open the lid. Wow, this smells so good. Give it a brief stir. The ratio of chicken, potato, and gravy is perfect. Let's check on the chicken and potatoes. See, the fork can go through the potato easily. This means that it is cooked and very soft. It's the same for the chicken too. Give it a taste. Perfect. More seasoning can be added as preferred. Switch off the heat. This dish can be served immediately or after resting a little while. For me, I will allow the chicken sauce to rest for 30 minutes. Now it's time. Dish out and serve with some white rice and sambal. Let's eat! So good! The chicken is very flavorful and tender, while the potato melts in the mouth. The gravy is fragrant and little sweet and salty. It definitely goes well with white rice and sambal. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!